Welcome to the channel. In this video, we're diving into the world of hidden treasures as we explore the four most expensive, even in good or worn condition. These seemingly ordinary coins could be worth thousands or even millions of dollars today. So before you spend that old coin, stick around because you might just be holding a fortune in your hands. The year 2000 introduced a remarkable coin into American history, the golden-colored $1 coin known as the Sacagawea Dollar. At first glance, it looks like an ordinary coin, but behind its shining surface lies a fascinating story of history, design, and rare hidden treasures. Many collectors believe that some versions of this coin could hold incredible value, turning a simple pocket coin into a prized collectible. Imagine holding a coin that looks ordinary but could one day be worth thousands, or even more, to the right collector. This coin was created to replace earlier dollar coins and to bring a fresh design into American currency. The front of the coin features the image of Sacagawea, the Native American woman who guided the Lewis and Clark expedition across the American wilderness. She is shown carrying her infant son, Jean-Baptiste, symbolizing courage, guidance, and exploration. The design was created by artist Glenna Goodacker, and it quickly became one of the most recognizable modern coin designs in the United States. The back of the coin shows a powerful image of a soaring eagle surrounded by 17 stars. These stars represent the states that existed in the United States during the time of the historic expedition Sacagawea helped guide. The eagle appears to be flying freely across the sky, symbolizing freedom, strength, and the spirit of the nation. Around the eagle are the words United States of America and $1, proudly declaring the coin's value and identity. Even though the coin looks golden, it is not made of real gold. Instead, it is produced using a special metal mixture called manganese brass clad over a copper core. This combination gives the coin its bright golden color and durability while keeping production costs low. Each coin weighs about 8.1 grams and measures roughly 26.5 millimeters in diameter, making it slightly larger and heavier than many other American coins. When the coin was first released in the year 2000, the United States Mint produced an enormous number of them, more than 1 billion coins from the Philadelphia and Denver mints combined. Because so many were made, most of these coins in everyday circulation are still worth only $1. However, collectors know that the real treasure is not the ordinary version but the rare variations hidden among them. One of the most famous and valuable varieties is known as the Cheerios Dollar. In a special promotion during the year 2000, some Sacagawea coins were placed inside cereal boxes. These promotional coins had a slightly different eagle design with enhanced tail feathers. Years later, collectors realized that this small design difference made the coins extremely rare and valuable, sometimes selling for thousands of dollars depending on their condition. Another extraordinary version is the legendary mule error coin. This rare mistake happened when the front design of a Washington quarter was accidentally combined with the back of a Sacagawea dollar coin. Such a mismatch should never happen in the minting process, which makes the coin incredibly rare and fascinating to collectors. Only a small number of these error coins are known to exist. Because rare minting error, some mule coins have sold at auctions for astonishing prices. Collectors have paid tens of thousands of dollars, and in some cases well over $100,000, for a single example in excellent condition. These coins prove that even modern coins can become historic treasures when unusual errors occur during production. There are also other rare varieties collectors search for, such as the wounded eagle error where unusual lines appear across the eagle's body on the reverse side. Though not as famous as the mule error, these coins can still be worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars depending on their quality and rarity. For coin hunters, discovering such a piece in everyday change would be an unforgettable moment. Despite its fascinating design, the Sacagawea dollar was never widely used in everyday spending. Many Americans preferred using $1 paper bills instead of coins. Because of this, the U.S. Mint eventually reduced the number of coins produced for circulation and instead began producing many of them mainly for collectors and special sets. Today, the 2000 Sacagawea dollar remains an important part of modern American coin history. It represents both cultural heritage and the beginning of a new generation of U.S. dollar coins. For collectors, it is a reminder that even modern coins can hold surprises, especially when rare varieties or minting errors appear. So the next time you see a golden $1 coin dated 2000, do not ignore it too quickly. Look carefully at its design, its mint mark, and any unusual details. While many of these coins are common, a few rare examples have the potential to be worth far more than their face value. Sometimes the greatest treasure is not hidden in ancient history, but quietly waiting inside your pocket change.